Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to effortlessly switch to another profile in Google Chrome. Profiles in Chrome allow multiple users to have their own personalized browsing experience. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this by locating the Chrome icon on your desktop or searching for it in the Start menu. Step 2. Once Chrome is open, look for the Profile button at the top right corner of the browser. It's represented by a small circular icon. Click on this button to open a drop-down menu. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, you'll see a list of available profiles. Choose the profile you want to switch to by clicking on it. Chrome will then seamlessly transition to the selected profile. That's it. You've successfully switched to another profile in Google Chrome. Profiles are a fantastic way to keep your browsing activities separate from others who may use the same computer. Each profile can have its own bookmarks, extensions, and settings, providing a personalized experience for every user. If you want to create a new profile, simply click on the Manage People option in the Profile drop-down menu. From there, you can add a new profile and customize it according to your preferences. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech-related tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching and enjoy browsing with multiple profiles in Google Chrome.